Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at Panda Express. I'm going to be trying the new hot orange chicken they came out with about a week, 2 weeks ago. So I already have my bag here with all the food. I got 2 plates today. I haven't been really recording the drive-through lately. I've just been ordering online, picking up. I feel like it's faster for me and you guys, but let me know if you guys miss or enjoy the whole drive-through experience where I go through the drive-through. So today I have 2 plates. Here we have 1 plate. I ordered half fried rice, half chow mein. Then I have honey sesame and then the grilled teriyaki. On the second plate I ordered chow mein, hot orange chicken, and the walnut shrimp. And of course we got some cream cheese ragoon, and then my star of the show, we got the queen, the legend, some sweet and sour sauce. So you guys know we are going to enjoy this extra hard today. I actually need to start off with the cheese ragoon. I always get confused. I always say crab ragoon, but it's really cheese ragoon, but it's just a habit. So if I end up saying crab ragoon, I apologize. I know some of you guys get annoyed. You guys are like, it's not crab ragoon, it's cheese ragoon. I gotta start off with these first. Like, how can you not? They're so delicious. So damn good. So delicious. You can never go wrong with cheese ragoons, right? Crab ragoons, cheese ragoons, some honey walnut shrimp. That is my favorite side from them. Is the shrimp. It is so good. Okay, but let's try the hot orange chicken. Okay, so it's this right here. Woo! Oh my gosh. She is spicy. I really want to dip it in here. Let me just have it by itself. She is spicy, but not that bad. But still, she is spicy. Oh my gosh, let me just get it with my fingers. So I can only taste the orange chicken right when I bite it. Only when you bite it you taste the orange chicken, but then after that it's just full of spice. Ooh, my mocos are coming. It's good though. Is it that good kind of spice? Let's have some of this. This is so good. I can't talk. Rated a 9 out of 10. It does the job. It does the job. You taste the orange chicken right when you bite it. After that, it's just full of spice. And it tastes good. It's a good type of spice. So I give it a 9 out of 10. I honestly can't tell you guys the last time I came here to Panda Express. Actually, it was on my last video, probably over a year ago. I never come here. Does anyone else go to like their local like Chinese places instead of like Panda Express or Pei Wei? There was another popular Asian franchise. It's Panda Express, Pei Wei, and I cannot remember the other one that a lot of people go to. But I normally go to like my local family owned Chinese spot. And I don't want to say that Panda Express doesn't taste good, because it does, but they be throwing it down in those family owned Chinese spots. So I am back from my vacation, and it was so hard for me to get up today to record. I woke up today, I was like, I have to record. I've been putting it off because I have had the worst post-vacation depression. That I want to go back. I can't believe it's over. You plan for this stuff and then it's literally over in 2 seconds. So now I just got to get myself up and get the ball rolling again. Vacation's over. It is what it is. But I just have to get the ball rolling again. Yum. I've been craving the Cheesecake Factory mac and cheese balls. The best. One of the best appetizers. I feel like I need a Cheesecake Factory mukbang again. But someone requested Chili's. I think I'm gonna do Chili's next. That 3 for $10 from Chili's has me in a chokehold. Whenever I go out to eat, I'm like, I could have gotten an appetizer, an entree, a drink for $11 at Chili's. Meanwhile, I'm over here spending like $30 each. So I always compare it to Chili's because it's so good, it's so affordable. I literally love Chili's. Can you guys believe Oregon doesn't have Chili's? They have no Chili's anywhere over there. I want to know if, like, for you foodie people, foodie lovers, would you move somewhere if your favorite restaurant wasn't in the area? I want to know, because I'm always 50-50. I always check if like my favorite restaurants are around the area I want to move in, and if they're not, it really is a factor for if I move in that area. So I want to know, if your favorite restaurant isn't where you want to move, would you still move there? And this is only for the foodies, because if you're not a foodie like that, then of course you're gonna move there, like whatever, it's just a restaurant, right? But if you're a foodie, you know what, you feel me, you know? You guys, I'm out of water. I'm out of water. This is a problem, because I have a lot left and I'm thirsty. Oh no, I still have you. Before I get full, let me just have this cheese ragoon, because I do not want to leave it. This is one of the best food creations ever. Cheese ragoons, crab ragoons. Like, whoever thought of it is a freaking legend. So good. Let me put this together. Okay, guys. I'm full. Okay guys, I am done for today. The hot orange chicken, I think, was worth it. Definitely give it a try if you like spicy food. The spice was definitely there, and I thought it tasted good, so definitely worth a try. I rate it, like I said, a 9 out of 10. Other than that, you guys already know Panda Express hits, so everything else was super delicious as well. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below. Could be anything. Leave me a smiley face, what you ate today, what time it is where you are. Let me know down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will hopefully be seeing you on the next video. Bye guys.